In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share file in Zoom meeting or how to share documents on Zoom 2026. To make this process smooth and quick, the first thing you should do is open the document you plan to present before you even join the meeting. This could be a Microsoft Word document, a PDF, a PowerPoint presentation, an Excel spreadsheet, or even an image. Having the file already open saves time and helps you avoid searching for it while other people are waiting. It also reduces the chance of sharing the wrong screen by mistake. Once your document is ready, go to Zoom using the desktop app or the mobile app. From there, either join an existing meeting or start a new one, depending on what you need. The sharing process works during an active meeting, so make sure you are fully connected before moving on. After you're inside the meeting, look for the share option in the meeting controls. On most devices, this is clearly labeled, and selecting it will open a window that shows the screens, apps, or open windows available for sharing. This is where Zoom lets you choose exactly what other participants will see. Next, select the specific window that contains your document. This is usually the best option because it allows you to share only the file you want to present instead of your entire screen. That can be helpful for privacy and for keeping the presentation focused. If you happen to be sharing something that includes audio, such as a video file, you can also enable the share sound option if needed. Once you've selected the correct document window, click or tap share. At that point, everyone in the meeting will be able to see the document you're presenting. You can scroll through the pages, switch slides, or move around the file as needed while speaking. A helpful tip here is to keep your document view clean and easy to read so participants can follow along without distractions. When you're done presenting, simply click Stop Share at the top of the screen. Zoom will immediately end the presentation and return you to the normal meeting view. That's all it takes to share a file in a Zoom meeting. If you prepare your document in advance, choose the correct window, and stop sharing when you're finished, the whole process becomes simple and professional.